The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall!
We have to walk around and take pictures at the bottom. Yes. Videos are at the bottom. Is it purpose to doing it? Is it purpose to doing it? To the man job? To do what?
So you ain't delete anything? You have a whole history, you ain't deleting nothing.
From since December. This happened in December.
Don't put on your mask yet. Don't put it on yet. Watch the camera. This gentleman stalks women and takes picture of their behind for the Spain and environs. He's from Covenge Road in Dago Martin. Look at him.
Jason Charles.
He stalks women and takes picture of their behind. He also goes in gym.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I just presented to you a video that shows a person who had been accused of stalking women and taking pictures of a certain body part of females. You see what I'm saying to you? Viewers and subscribers, I don't really want to repeat the body part of females that have been mentioned in the video. However, the video is right there. You know, you can take a look at the video and listen to some of the things that have been said in the video. You see? And according to some things that have been said on social media about the video that I just presented to you, and according to some things that have been shown in the video, it is said that the person is from the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. Alright, viewers and subscribers, I presented this video to you so that you can take a look at it and you can also tell me what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in the video. Alright, so I'm going to move on to another video. You see? The next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video is going to show what happened between a customer and a seller. You see me? Some persons on social media called the seller a vendor. You see me? Yeah, the person talking in the background of this video is said to be the customer, and the customer was buying meat from the person who said to be the seller, and according to some things that the customer said, I got the understanding that the customer did not agree with something that the seller had done. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present this video to you so that you can take a look at it and you can also tell me what you think. You can tell me if you agree or if you disagree with some of the things that the customer said to the person who said to be the seller. Alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Let's see where you are. Much up on you say? 20. Yeah, where are they? How much weight is that? So like you can't be serious, you weighing that pork with the pan?
Yeah, that the pan for the steel.
What do you mean that the pan for the steel? So you charge me the weight of the pan?
No.
Take off the pork and I'll put way back the pan.
If you come to a go.
No, you're robbing me.
Oh, what can we rob here?
Weigh the pan alone.
Go up the road now.
No, weigh the pan alone, let me see. Me, I had to go up the road. You can't be selling pork and robbing people with a pan.
I mean, look where the scale that's at.
The scale reading 0. The scale reading 0. Right now the scale. No, way back the pan, let me see.
Go up the road.
No, you're robbing people here with this pan.
Yeah, right, I rob it, right.
Where's your name?
I rob you now.
Where's your name?
Rampol.
You see this man named Rampol? I don't want nobody coming and buying pork by him again.
Very good.
He weighing the pan and charging you for the pan and putting it on the scale. Watch your vehicle here. He's selling in front of this casino here. Watch your vehicle here. And you have a big cross in front of the vehicle. In grace ordered steps the blood. TBW 7730. Nobody don't come and buy pork by this man. He always doing people that.
Yeah.
Weighing the pan. Weighing the pan.
Where you come to do?
Yes, because you robbed my wife the other day. She told me you weigh the pan. And you're not supposed to be weighing the pan. The scale marks 0. You're charging people and weighing that pan. Boss, you mustn't do them thing in these hard times. Don't curse me, no. Don't curse me.
I done fucking curse.
Don't curse me. You can't be robbing people like that. You can't be charging people for that pan.
The pan come with the scale.
You cannot be charging people for the pan. That half pound of fucking fuck you're charging people for. Here's a rip-off.
Yeah.
All you watch at him. Right opposite MS store. Charging people for pan. Charging people for the pan. He threatening me too. He weighed the pork with the pan.
Viewers and subscribers, you see, a person who know ghetto life might have a good understanding about some of the things that the customer said. You see me? In my point of view, you see, if the scale was at 0 when the thing that the customer call a pan was not in the scale, then in my point of view, when you put that pan in the scale, it's going to move up from the 0. So therefore, that's adding more weight to the meat that the customer was about to buy. You see me? So you see, so if the scale was at 0 when the pan, as how the customer call it, when the pan was not in the scale, if the scale is at 0, then viewers and subscribers, when you put the thing that the customer call a pan in the scale, then I think that the scale is going to go up a little bit, because that thing must have some form of weight. But anyways, you know, I'm just telling you what I think, viewers and subscribers. You can let me know if you think I am right, or you can let me know if you think I'm wrong. You see me? Yeah, you can tell me if you think I'm right or if I'm wrong. I'm just telling you what I think, alright? Yeah, you can let me know what you think about some of the things that had been shown and said in the video, alright? Yeah, you can let me know who you think was wrong from who was right. Alright, now I'm going to move on to another video, viewers and subscribers. The next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, according to some things that have been said on social media about this video that I'm about to present to you, it is said that the video shows a person who is said to be a police officer who had been accused of being drunk while in uniform. See? And according to some more things that have been said on social media about the video, and according to some things that have been shown and said in the video, it is said that the video had been recorded within the continent that is known as Africa. Now, viewers and subscribers, I want you, my viewers and subscribers, to take a look at this video and tell me what you think. You can tell me if you think this person was drunk or if you think the person was not drunk. You see me? And I'm talking about the person who is said to be the police officer shown in the video that I'm about to present to you. Alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Moet je van die werk af nou?
Ja, nee werken.
Huh?
Van de werken. Geen alles niet.
Waar ga je naar huis toe?
Het is net zo tien doek. Bepaal wat je. Wat voor mij net zo. Ik heb nog een chai hier.
Dit is maar je lijkt gesyp, jong.
Ja, maar gesyp.
Huh? Werk je so dronk?
Huh? Ik kom van de werk af.
Dus jy kyk hoe lyk jy as jy van die werk af kom 6 o'clock in die oggend? Huh?
Wat al jou foto's wat jy weet.
Viewers and subscribers, on a reel, the person who is said to be a police officer who was in uniform, in my point of view, I think the person looked a little bit not so focused. You see me? Yeah, I mean, the person just did not look as if the person was totally okay to me. You see me? And that's just my point of view. I'm not going to say that the person was drunk, because I'm not sure if the person was drinking alcohol or so forth, but the person just look, you know, just don't look totally okay to me, alright? But you, my viewers and subscribers, you can let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you. You see me? Alright, so I have one more video that I'm going to leave with you, my viewers and subscribers. Yes, I'm going to leave this video with you. In my point of view, this video is out on social media, you know, and this video has been talked about on social media, you know. I call this video serious business. Yeah, I call this video serious business. The reason why I call this video serious business is because of some things that have been shown and said in this video. Viewers and subscribers, I want you to take a look at this video and tell me what you think about this video. I want you to look at this video and tell me if you think this video shows something that is considered to be serious business. Even if it is a small business, I want you to tell me if you think this video shows something that is serious business, alright? So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla, uno big up on yourself. You see it? Now here's the video, take a look, listen and observe.
Up on a lane, look here. One of them items them. One of them price list. Seeing? Man said, please do not enter the premises. To order, use the bell, buzzer or intercom. See that? Man of him opening laws. And the man of the credit bylaws. The requirement for credit is shop with us for a period of 6 months. A copy of your national ID or driver's license, proof of income. Patron must live within the community. And a contact number. Bylaws. All credit must be paid within 7 days. If credit is not paid within 7 days, 20% interest will be allotted to late payment. No crediting on Saturdays and Sundays or when business hours is closed. Credit accounts will be frozen or freeze due to the date is passed. Hey, remember me tell you this boy.
Hey man, you know where I watch. Dancehall skilla. Hear me now. Hey yo, skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.